your early morning radar network.
Yeah, we definitely saw some of that beneficial rain last night, and I'll talk more about that coming up shortly, but we are all dry right now here throughout North Alabama. This is the view looking off to the west from downtown Decatur. That, of course, is our Way 31 Storm Tracker radar dome inside of, or in Decatur, of course, part of that network, and this view brought to you by the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. We are dry, just seeing some passing clouds right now on the satellite, but if we zoom out, all that cloud cover that we're seeing, they're coming from these large thunderstorm complexes that are racing away from North Alabama. This one dropping through southern Mississippi, now pushing into parts of Louisiana, and then a separate one now dropping through parts of Louisiana. So we're just getting the leftover clouds, no showers or storms anywhere close to North Alabama. Of course, it was about this time last night that big complex was dropping out of Middle Tennessee. So all that rainfall you see over the last 24 hours, of course, it was just starting to move in. But look at the yellows and the oranges on the map. It's closer to 2 to 3 inches of rain. Of course, it brought a little bit of localized flooding issues, but this was some much needed rainfall for some of these dry areas here in North Alabama. Take a look at the last 30 days in Huntsville. Keep in mind this is from June 13th through July 12th. That's yesterday, so that 30-day period. That was the warmest 30-day period on record for that one, going back to 1937 for Huntsville. And it was also the driest. At the Huntsville International Airport, we picked up just short of 0.4 of an inch, again, in that 30-day period. So we definitely need some of that rain that moved right over top of the Huntsville International Airport last night. This is a look at the latest U.S. drought monitor. Now, keep in mind, the new one gets released tomorrow morning. So this is a very old drought monitor. We'll see if any new updates come down with that new one that is released tomorrow morning. But for tomorrow, we are expecting just a 10 to 20% chance for a few scattered showers and storms. By far the best chances, they're going to be south of the Tennessee River and closer to the Birmingham area. But that cold front that moved through this evening, it's still close enough for your Thursday afternoon with highs back up into the low 90s to trigger a few showers and storms. But again, most of the activity closer to Birmingham than, let's say, North Alabama. But we'll keep a close eye on the radar for tomorrow. Plenty of instability in place with those highs back up into the low 90s. But we do have a little bit of a relief in terms of the humidity. Take a look at the humidity tracker. We still have some greens in place because it takes some time for that drier air to filter in behind today's cold front. And again, not a huge drop in temperatures. It's going to be warmer tomorrow, but at least we have some of these browns in place. So a little bit of relief from the muggy conditions. And then you'll notice into Friday, we still have the browns in place, but they're starting to weaken, and all that muggy air and of course the warm conditions, that'll be moving back in through this weekend. And that's going to bring better chances for showers and storms beginning on Saturday. But hey, at least we'll finish the work week dry with highs in the mid 90s. By Sunday, about a 30% chance. So it's a pretty decent weekend. That's about average for this time of the year here in North Alabama. We almost always have a pop-up storm chance. And then Monday, better chances for showers and storms. But even with those higher chances, still in the low to even mid 90s through the middle of next week.